Hi everyone, it's Queen BRZ out here on this beautiful sunny day at GMR. Today is the day that I'm finally going to be able to take my car out and really give it a shakedown and see what it's made of. So without further ado, let's get started. So the really cool thing about GMR is that it's so twisty, so it makes it really fun. Also really scary. I've been up here a few times with my boyfriend and I know he's almost driven off a cliff, so definitely gotta be careful when you're here, but it's so much fun. I just wanted to thank all of you guys for the support that you guys have been giving me on Instagram and on YouTube. I really appreciate it, and I love all the feedback that you give too. That's super cool because, of course, this is my first time doing YouTube, and I could use all the help I can get. So thank you, I really do appreciate that, you guys. And please let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see. I know a few people have already, and I really appreciate that. I mean, of course, I'm just starting out, but definitely for the future, at least I know what to do next. And it gets expensive. I mean, I'm sure everyone watching my channel knows that having a car, working on a car for your hobby is really expensive. Okay, another thing too, I'm sure you just saw, bikers here are so scary. Oh my gosh. I am freaked out a little bit. My heart just stopped, but it's okay because I'm on my side of the road, so we're good. But man, they get so scary. Oh, but man, car parts are so expensive, but so worth it. So worth it. So right now, I'm a little obsessed with doing like cosmetic stuff, but I also want to go towards performance modifications eventually. Like a turbo would be super cool. Cosmetic wise, I would love to have a carbon fiber hood. That's what I've always wanted. I don't know why it's such a big deal to me, but I really want a carbon fiber hood. They just look so cool and so neat. It's really cool because on the inside of my car, I have kind of like fake carbon fiber, just as like a nice touch, I guess. But it looks cool. I like it. But now I want a hood to match the interior. So maybe one day I can go ahead and get one. I know they're very expensive, and then storing your old hood is kind of a pain in the butt. So I need to figure out the logistics there. But eventually, I would love one. So when you see me with one, you know I'm a happy camper. See how twisty this is? I love it so much. And then on top of that, the view is super cool. What freaks me out is if there's going to be a landslide. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I would do. What would you do in a landslide? You guys can let me know in the comments below, because I honestly, like, just drive faster? I don't know. Duck and cover? I'm in my car, so I don't really know. Ooh, and another weird thing. So I love driving stick. Driving stick is amazing, and for anybody who has an automatic, I did for a long time, and was thinking about driving stick, go for stick. It's great. The only thing is I'm still pretty new to driving like in the mountains like this, and I'm speeding up a lot and I'm slowing down a lot super fast, and I don't want to keep lugging my engine. So right now I'm kind of like going in and out of like third and fourth. So I'm kind of, for the most part, staying in third. Like this whole time I've been in third right now. But I'm just kind of like getting higher in my RPMs, like in the straights. But then in the corners, I have to press on the gas. But then I get pretty low in my RPMs, which is what I'm like, because I don't want to lug my engine, but is that okay? Like in this case, is that okay to do? That's my question to everyone, because I really don't know. That's just what I've been doing. I used to like go into neutral for all my turns and then shift back into gear when I'm like coming out of my turns, but I was talking to a few friends and they were saying that that's kind of scary to do and that you lose a lot of power that way, which is true. I can see that you lose a lot of power, because I was wondering why I was so behind everybody else, and it's because I was doing that. So good to know. But yeah, no, let me know what you guys do when you're driving in the canyons or in the mountains. I'm really curious to know what other people do, because that's what I do personally. So I would really like to know. I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you can, it must be so nice to live in California and be able to like wash your car and not have to worry about the crazy weather. And it's so true, because I don't even know like what it's like to have to worry about crazy weather. And I guess we're coming to this house. So let me see what the boyfriend wants me to do. Alright guys, so now I'm at the top here at the fork of GMR. I really enjoyed the ride up, and I really got to see what this car is made of. It really hugs all the corners, and it's such a smooth drive, and on top of that I feel really safe in it, which is really important, right? So I hope you guys liked it, up with me, and now it's time to take some pictures. Alright, we're coming to an end here, so before I go, I wanted to thank you all for watching my little adventure through GMR, and I hope providing that ride-along video footage really gets a lot of you excited to take your cars out and ride through GMR or a fun mountain road near you. I love hearing what you guys have to say, and please feel free to let me know if you've been to a super fun road in SoCal that you think I should try out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below to stay updated on my future adventures and what I decide to do next to my car. Until next time, Queen BRZ out.